Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you ladies, my subscribers, everybody, both male, those of you who loves hair. I'm going to be showing you how I did this finger coils protective hairstyle. Okay, so this hair is already washed, shampooed, conditioned, and washed. Okay, the hair is a treated hair, colored hair, as you can see. I dyed this hair with henna. For those of you who know henna, I dyed the hair with henna. I just mixed henna with indigo and washed, did a deep color treatment, and then I deep conditioned, and this is what we have. So here I'm just to get this hairstyle properly done, or your desired coils to pop out, you have to saturate your hair by using a spray bottle. Okay, use a spray bottle to spray water very well. Saturate the hair with water, okay, like I'm doing so. This is a very thick natural hair. Okay, this hair, as you can see, is so thick and it's so full. This hair actually took me a long time to do, but it was worth it at the end of the day. Okay, so yes, this is one of my hobbies. This is one of the things that I love to do. So I was doing this hairstyle and I was like, oh, let me share it, let me record this so I can share with my subscribers. Okay, so with my audience and whoever likes to do protective styling. Okay, or if you are looking for a unique hairstyle. Sorry, these days the weather has been so cold, so I keep having a cold. That's why my voice is, you can hear me just trying to clear my throat. So here I'm just sectioning the hair into parts. I'm going to section it into 4 sections because the hair is so it's so thick. It's very thick. So I'm just dividing the hair into 4 sections to make my work easy. Okay, so I used to do this hair on a lot on my hair when my hair was natural, when I had not relaxed my hair, but now my hair is relaxed now. But I used to do it on myself, and I used to love it so much. So I decided to do it for this person, and the end result was bomb. Okay, it was bomb, and it's a style that does not break your hair. Once it's done, you just leave your hair. You can carry it for like a month, yeah, for a month or so or thereabouts, for as long as you can, 3 weeks to 1 month max. Okay, it's a very good protective style that does not, your hair it doesn't break off your hair. Okay, it doesn't break off your hair. So you just make sure you wash your hair thoroughly, condition it properly. I use a deep moisturizing conditioner because I'm going to be using a gel, okay, in styling this hair. The gel I'm going to be using is the aloe vera gel. Okay, I'll use aloe vera gel. There's this aloe vera gel that is sold in the store. Okay, it's I'm gonna insert the picture. Okay, I will insert the picture if I can find it. So that's what I'm going to use. So I only, used my leave-in conditioner. Like I said, this hair was already, washed before I started this recording process. So I had washed, I had applied my leave-in conditioner, just a leave-in conditioner and a little bit of hair oil. Okay, I used a bit of castor oil. Castor oil it's a very thick oil. So I use castor oil because this hair is so thick. So it needs a very good thick oil that would give it that moisture. So that's why I use that. Okay, so after um spraying the hair with water, as you can see here, I just take a tiny section and I apply my aloe vera gel. As you can see, as I apply it, is the way I'm pulling it is I'm kind of, detangling the hair still. Okay, the hair needs to be smooth so that your style can come out nicely. And then I just roll the hair on with a finger on my finger. I just keep going until I get to the ends of the hair, and I just roll and roll and roll, and then I let it go. Okay, so this is how the process is going to be. Let me show you again from this part. As you can see, I've taken a section and I'm just applying aloe vera gel, just a tiny bit. You don't need a lot of it. Okay, I just take like a finger size, and I just finger size. I just apply it to the hair anyways, and I just roll the hair. I keep rolling until I get to the ends of the hair. At the ends of the hair, I just make sure I roll, 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 roll very well, and then I let go of the hair like so. So I'm gonna keep going this way as I go. The hair will be drying out a bit. I keep spraying with a little bit of water, and I keep going with my gel. So yes, natural hair is one of my hobbies, that I love to do. I love to take care of hair very well, because I naturally love hair. Okay, I naturally love hair, so I always find joy in doing things like this. I was natural for say 6 years. I was natural for 6 years straight, and I was doing my hair by myself. Okay, I was always, styling my hair by myself. That was a long time ago. I think a few years back. So I got bored, and because of my job, I rarely have, time to really sit and do my own hair, because natural hair is a lot of work, you guys. It's a lot of work. It takes your whole day. Like if you want to do your treatments, your wash and treatments on the same day, it takes almost the whole day, and that is no joke. Okay, but so that's why I just decided to relax my hair. Otherwise, I love natural hair. I love my hair being natural without having to apply the relaxer. Relaxer is a chemical. So, but what do I do? So I just had to, relax my hair to make it easier for me to, maintain the hair. But I still enjoy doing it for, people whenever I have the chance. Okay. This hair actually took me, I stood for 6 hours straight doing this hair. But because she has a lot of hair. Like when I say a lot of hair, the video is not even doing justice. It's not showing the real density of this hair. Okay, but because I'm passionate about it, so yeah, that's why I'm doing it easily. You can see it looks easier. And here, Sochi was showing me that's her own natural hair. Can you see that? It's always her butt, almost at her butt. Sorry, what am I even saying? So here I have gone, almost halfway through with the hair. Okay, and this right here, look at the hair. You can see it still has products on it. When it dries out, the products, the gel is going to dry clear. I love this gel because it doesn't leave any flakes. So some gels, when you use them, they leave that hard feeling on the hair, but this one leaves the hair bouncy. Okay, that's why I like this. I like I like this gel on this hair style. But you can use Eco Styler gel. For those of you, if you can't find the aloe vera gel, you can use Eco Styler. So it will give you a nice hold. All right. So yeah, I said let me share this video with you guys. If somebody is interested in doing a protective style like this on their natural hair, this is something for you to learn from. You can just practice. Okay, it's easy. It's not so hard. You can see throughout the process, I did not use any comb. I just use my finger to pat my hair, and I just apply my gel, and I just roll on my finger until I get to the tips of the hair, and I just let it go just like that. Okay, I hope this helps someone out there. Try this out. If you have any tips also about, finger coils. Have you done it before? Have you come across it before? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay, let me know in the comment section. But the hair is looking really nice, and this henna is just popping, guys. It's the color is just popping. Looks so good. And here is our final result. Woohoo! This hair looks so good, so nice. And you just spray whenever it feels dry. You just spray some water from your water bottle and just shake it and apply a little bit of light oil. That's all, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Bye.